That is the bolt that you remove to drain the oil. It's a 17mm bolt. Make sure you don't lose this. The first thing you want to do is just pop this little cover off. It's pretty simple. Put a paper towel down underneath where the filter is going to come out. Just pop that right out. Make sure your little rubber grommets don't come along with the back end. They just don't stick. So you can just pop those back in, no problem. And this is where you will take your filter off. 3 bolts, pull out. Just remove your dipstick. And I'm using a 5/16 socket. I've already loosened these up a little bit before. You can see the oil running out. It's a bit messy. If you're just trying to pull this out with your fingers, it may be a little difficult to get a grip. What I use is just 2 little screwdrivers. Place one underneath, place one on top, just kind of pry back. It'll come right out. For the new oil filter replacement, I use an HF 152 high flow. Of course, always make sure you put it right back in how it came. It's right in that way. Make sure this little ring around this is not damaged. Tighten them back up. Just like that. I use an Amsoil synthetic. The book says 1540. You can use 1040. When you're buying oil for your ATV, look on the back. Make sure it's SG rated.